Hello, my name is Udit Handa. Welcome to my life page. Now I'll talk about technology entrepreneurship, but before that, let me introduce myself. So I've done my schooling from St. Joseph's Academy, Dehradun, and after that I did my technical degree from Dehradun itself. I was working as a software engineer in various places like Chandigarh, Noida, US for 5 years, and then suddenly the entrepreneur bug struck me, and I moved back to Dehradun and started my own company, Sinotech Technology Solutions Private Limited. That's a software services company that I have been associated with from last 10 years, and it mainly deals with CRM applications, web application and mobile application development for its client all across the globe. So technology and entrepreneurship, when gelled together, becomes technology entrepreneurship. So any business that runs on technology is called technology entrepreneurship. Some of the examples include like Swiggy, that runs primarily over a mobile application, or Uber, Ola, all these services that are built over technology and uses technology first as the platform is technology entrepreneurship. First is programming languages. As a technology entrepreneur, you should be aware of various programming languages, what all programming languages are currently going in the market, what are the capabilities of each programming language, and that is very important for you to drive yourself as well as your team. So some of the popular programming languages nowadays are Java, C#, Python, and Go programming language. You should be aware of the basic programming language concepts. Programming languages such as C, C++ are also very important because these programming languages help you build the basic concept. First skill that comes to my mind is communication. Since you'll be handling clients all across the globe, so communication is a very important skill to have. Even if when you get started you don't have those skills, you need to be working very hard on those skills and always trying to constantly improve those skills. First is freedom of making decisions. So, as a technology entrepreneur, you have the freedom of making decisions. You have the freedom to take your company to places based upon your personal will, and you are your own boss. You can run your company as you want. So this is one of the positive that being a technology entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship itself is very dynamic, and if you add technology to it, it becomes much more dynamic. First of all, you are wearing various hats as an entrepreneur, and then if as a technology entrepreneur, you should always be ready for challenges. You should always be ready to learn new technologies. That sometimes becomes challenging because you have to manage your entire company, you have to manage your entire team, and over and above that, you have to be taking care of your family, and then also you need to be updated on the technologies that are so constantly changing. I usually start my day early because we have clients that are in other time zone. Those time zones are like 10 or 12 hours ahead or behind us. So the meetings happen usually early in the morning around 8 a.m. or so. Then after that, as a technology entrepreneur, you need to have a lot of focus on your sales and marketing activities. I involve with my sales and marketing team, take a look at what all sales and marketing activities they are performing, discuss how to improve our sales and marketing, how to improve our client communication, how to improve our client interactions, make sure all our clients are satisfied, in the evening, then usually we have there are some clients that are available in the evening. There are some meetings with our partners that we have across the globe. So we have those meetings in the evening as well. That's how my day goes. I hope I have been able to give you a balanced overview of technology entrepreneurship. Those of you who want to be a technology entrepreneur, I recommend first improve your technical skills, get a feel of how technology and how projects are managed, and once you are confident enough, you can take a plunge as a technology entrepreneur. Thank you.